Today's Clear Impact Biohack is an anti-inflammatory that's free and most likely you haven't even heard of it before. My name is Adam. This is Jason Masick. He is our building biology consultant at Clear Impact. We are Clear Impact Biohacking for Beginners. We help you calm your mind, increase cognitive and physical energy, and live with more vitality. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please do for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks. Now, Jason, we're here today to talk about EMFs. What are they?
Electromagnetic fields. They're everywhere. It's all around us. There's good ones, there's bad ones. The bad ones, microwaves, cell phones, Wi-Fi routers, electricity, really affect us big time. Earth has a big magnetic field. That's the good one. We have electromagnetic fields. We're also really good too.
Yeah. So how is all this impacting us biologically?
What happens is the bad ones, they'll affect our cells, give us some inflammation, mess with our nervous system, psychological issues.
Yeah, I know. We keep hearing more and more media around these EMFs, and this idea of electrosensitivity is showing up quite a bit. And I know for myself, when I mitigate some of this, I notice how much calmer I get, and I actually feel like I'm less inflamed and I have more focus. So these do have a powerful impact on our biology.
Yeah, get disconnected.
Awesome. So let's give you guys a really powerful solution, a biohack, right? Now this is our biohack of the day. What we're focusing on is we want to reconnect to the earth because it's got a beautiful field, magnetic field that's coming off of it. And on the bottom of our feet, we have about 1,300 nerve endings per square inch of our feet. So we want to get those connected to the earth so we can absorb some of that beautiful, beautiful energy from the earth.
Yeah, we want to get, also that'll help us get rid of a ton of voltage off our skin too.
Beautiful. So some cleansing involved in there as well.
Yeah.
Awesome. And what about, I know you have a daughter. What do you do with her sometimes?
The easiest thing, we just make it fun. We just go out into the forest, get her in bare feet, and let's hug some trees. Trees are a great way to get grounded.
Yeah, I know. And I know a lot of people are kind of adverse to wanting to get their bare feet on the ground. But you know what? That's how we came out in life, right? You're barefoot. So why not get those on the ground and just feel what they do for you? So here's the solution we want to give you. This is the challenge. The 7-day challenge for you is this. Ideally in the morning, first thing when you get up, you want to get right outside for the first few minutes of your day. So I know you're going to want to get your coffee and other things going. Great, go ahead and do that. But get outside, get your bare feet on the ground for at least 2 minutes before you start anything else. And notice what that does to you, because it does have a very beautiful calming effect. For the next 7 days, that's your challenge. The first 2 minutes, get outside and do what we call grounding, or known as earthing as well, right? Now, after you're done that, please come back onto our YouTube channel, give us some comments, let us know how you're doing. If you know somebody, a loved one that you know is getting impacted by just everyday anxiousness and nervousness, this does have a powerful impact. So share this with them. Let us know how you're doing with it, because we love to hear from you guys, our community. Okay, so we are Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind, increase cognitive and physical energy, and
Clean life vitality?
live life with more vitality. Awesome, buddy.